In which psychological approach is free association primarily used? A. Behavior therapy. B. Psychoanalysis. C. Humanistic therapy. D. Cognitive therapy. Systematic desensitization was developed by A. Walt. B. Freud. C. Rogers. D. Beck. In cognitive therapy, what is the primary goal of modifying irrational thoughts? A. Modify irrational thoughts. B. Release repressed impulses. C. Control behavior. D. None. Client-centered therapy was developed by A. Freud. B. Rogers. C. Adler. D. Beck. Token economy is based on A. Reinforcement. B. Punishment. C. Extinction. D. Free will. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.